Okay, guys, good afternoon. So, the market made a very nice push here. We couldn't take that trade, so we are expecting a little pullback here. Right now, we're in the sweet spot zone. Okay, so I am waiting to see what the market can do over here in this area. Okay, so we're gonna wait a little bit, see if sellers can still push down, or let's see if they hit the second ATR and continue up, or let's see what's gonna happen here. Right now we're not gonna do nothing. We only have like about 25 minutes to the close. Okay, but still not doing any trade. Okay, market just
Brick
landed
setup.
here, guys. We see a high frequency trading triangle here. Okay, this is unusual activity. Buyers picking it up. The high frequency trader sold it here, as you can see the triangle over here. Okay, in this area, and they bought it here. So they sold this little uh, price action here. So it's like about 6 ticks, but with large amounts of trade, guys. So we're gonna place a limit order long. Okay, so let's see if the market can continue higher and see what happens. This is where we see buyers right now here trying to pick up the price. Okay, guys, seems that the market is wanna go short, so we're gonna place a bracket order here. You go short sellers,
Order canceled.
pushing the price a little bit down. Let's see what we can get from this trade.
Short signal ES.
Okay, starting to move.
Short signal NQ.
Okay, we're gonna add to the position here. We're not gonna chase. We're just gonna wait if price can get there. Okay, we see big sellers in the tape. Okay, we got filled.
Short signal ES. Short signal NQ.
Okay, almost there. Lots of sellers in the
Short signal
Nasdaq.
ES.
More sellers in the Nasdaq.
Short signal
Okay,
NQ.
first target hit.
Short signal ES.
So more sellers in the tape. Okay, second target.
Short signal ES.
Okay, we got the break of the ATR, guys. More sellers in the tape.
Short signal ES. Short signal ES. Short signal NQ. Short signal ES.
Okay, guys, nice trade. Okay, so remember why we trade this trade, because we are near the
Short signal
ATR,
NQ.
and you know what happens when we are near the ATR. Or buyers. Okay, this is the sweet spot. Okay, this is the sweet
Short
spot.
signal
This is when
NQ.
buyers and sellers meet. This is a like a Fibonacci. Okay, so this is a measured move. The market either breaks it or continues to the upside. Okay, so in this case, the market broke it. I see the sellers in the Nasdaq, which they will anticipate everything. Okay, what happens in the Nasdaq, it happens secondly on the ES. Then you can take
Short
action,
signal ES.
place a limit order. Don't chase the market. Don't go at market, because if you go at market,
Short
if
signal
the bar
ES.
starts to going back and forth, swiping the book, you're gonna be in trouble. As you can see here in the morning, the Nasdaq hit the second ATR, broke the first one, hit the second one, and what did it do? It was supported here and then continued to the upside. Hit the second ATR, and then we see sellers pushing the price down. As you can see, guys, this is not an invention from me. This is not something that I, picked out of my pocket or something. This is years of experience trading the same things over and over again. I really don't need, to trade all day long, and I wait really
Brick
the
setup.
afternoon to trade. The morning is too quick for me. I don't like to trade those quick markets because they fool you. So I don't like that. As you can see here, the market broke the second ATR with vengeance. Okay, never looked back. So it was going down. It just tagged the ATR barely, and then this broke here, and well, this is what we have seen right now. Okay, so you just wait for the reaction. Okay, for the second ATR, wait for the reaction, and based on that, you place your limit order in the ES. Okay, because the ES is more tradable than the Nasdaq. So I like to trade the ES better. Okay, guys, have a nice weekend, and see you Monday.